today we will discuss something different part. First of all, see this flow chart. Don't get confused. Don't be panic. Here you see something different we are going to do. First of all, your work is just take the screenshot or take the pause. Then you solve yourself. Then let us whatever you have written and whatever I have done, that one we will match whether you are correct or not. Let us check that one. So here, what is that one? First of all, let me explain you what we are going to discuss. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that from the up to O I have taken. So this is the conversion. Here this conversion tells that conversion A implies from ammonia, this is the aroma, from ammonia this ammonium chloride. How will you get ammonium chloride from ammonia? So ammonia will be input and ammonium chloride will be product. Ammonia will be reactant and ammonium chloride will be the product. So equation you have to write. For example, this one you see GHH. From ammonia, how will you get ammonium sulfate? And from ammonium sulfate, how will you get ammonia? So all these are the conversion. So here, see that one, what we will do. First of all, take the screenshot or you take the pause. You write down all this equation. After that, we will match whatever you have written and whatever I have written. That one will be exactly comes equal or not. Nowadays, this exam pattern also, board pattern also, question have changed. Of course, I have given all the equations of ammonia here, because one thing you will discuss here, you will get the idea what are the equations present in ammonia chapter. For that is the purpose only. But whenever question comes board or this school exam, 3-4 questions or 5 maximum question comes. Okay, so we will start now. So first of all, we will go for the conversion A. So A conversion, what does it tell? It tells ammonia to ammonium chloride. So this one will be ammonia will give rise to ammonium chloride. Okay. So this is the first equation. What to do here? Here it can be done in 2 ways. First process, it can be ammonia plus HCl. Ammonia plus HCl directly can give, this one the easiest process, can give rise to ammonium chloride. Second process also it can be when excess of ammonia this react with chlorine. Excess of ammonia react with chlorine, this give rise to ammonium chloride along with nitrogen. Okay, so first one it is easy to remember, but this one it is balancing little, you have to remember, otherwise this one you can write it this. Okay, this one is the A. And what it will be B? B is the ammonia. From ammonia, what we are getting? NO. Okay, so this one is B. So with ammonia, something we have to add to get NO is the product. So what we will add? This is the oxidation. This is the catalytic oxidation. Here, this one will be platinum, 800 degrees Celsius. So when ammonia bonds in oxygen, NO along with that one water getting. So let us balance this. So this one will be 5, this one will be 4 and this one will be 6, 12, 10, 4, 10. Okay. So this will be the second equation. What is the third? It is given C. It is given from NO. This conversion is HNO3. This one we will do in different ways. 3 different stages. So NO with oxygen, it give rise to NO2. Yes, it give rise to NO2. And here this one will be oxygen. Here this one will be NO2. This NO2 with reacting with water, this what it will give rise to? It will give rise to HNO3. HNO3, and here this one also oxygen, it comes along with that one. So what we are getting? Now here you see this NO with oxygen, NO2, from NO2 with water along with oxygen, because oxygen it is will be there for oxidation. Here it give rise to HNO3. This one will be the third one. Then let us go for this. What is D given here? All these are easy, you know it, but just when we see this diagram, then we feel something different it is given to us. Okay, so D, what is that? It is your more interesting and easy one only. Here, what we are getting? NH3 converted to NH4OH. How that one will be possible? Add water to it. When water is added, obviously this one will be NH4OH. Okay, see how easy or not? Okay, this one will be D. Then what is that one? Let us go for E. NH3, it is something will be added to it, it will be converted to HCl. So here when we are taking NH3, one thing remember, here chlorine we take, and we will take chlorine in excess. Excess of chlorine, when it will be added to it, then reaction will be HCl plus NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. Okay, so here by balancing 3, and here will be 3 HCl, chlorine 3, 6 or 6. Okay, see now you find it is easy now. Yes, then let us go for what is F bit given. F bit, the same thing only. Here ammonia, it is converted to NCl3. How it will be converted? The same thing only. Here I will copy this diagram, this one only, just to know that 3 HCl. Okay, F bit you got. Then let us go for G. G, it is from ammonia, something will be added to it. It will be ammonium sulfate. What it will be added? H2SO4 should be added to it, so that it will be ammonium sulfate. So this one will be 2, this one 8, 6, 8. Okay, sulfate. Got it? Then what is H given? H is given from ammonium sulfate. How will you get ammonia? Here ammonium sulfate to ammonia. Here add some alkali. Alkali means you can add calcium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide also can be added to it. Calcium hydroxide added. So what we are getting? Ammonia. Here we will get water. Along with that we will be, okay, so ammonium sulfate, it is the in a reactant product is ammonia. So H bit over. Now let us go for H. After that one I tells that, I bit tells it is from ammonia, something should be added to it so that it will be nitrogen. So this one can be done in 2-3 ways. Here this ammonia, it can be with oxygen, plain oxygen it can be, means without catalyst. It can be nitrogen along with water. This one can be 4 ammonia, 3 oxygen, 2 nitrogen, 6 water. This can be one of the way. Second way, this one is 1. Other things what it can be, here ammonia with this one will be excess of ammonia with chlorine give rise to NH4Cl along with nitrogen. Okay, this is also another way. Third one, it can be, it is balanced. No, it is not balanced. 2, 6, 8 to 4. This one will be this one. Okay, this one will be 8 ammonia. This one will be 3 chlorine. This one will be 6 ammonium chloride. then it will be nitrogen. Are you getting this one? So here, third one, it can be also this ammonia with copper oxide. All these are the possibilities. You can write anything that one, it can be, you can write. So ammonia with copper oxide, it give rise to nitrogen, copper with water. Okay, so here it will be 2 ammonia, this one will be 3 copper oxide, this one will be 3 copper, and this one will be 3 water. Okay, this can be. Another one also, it can be with PbO also, the reaction can be. So it is not that one only one equation you can write, whatever equations if possible you can write for it. All these things you know, just apply the idea and you write down. And see that one, which one will be easy for you, that one only you mention. Then another one will go for I, then we'll go for J. What it is J given? J is the easiest one only. So J, it is from from nitrogen something will be added, so this one will be ammonia. So what is it is? It will be Haber's process. So nitrogen, hydrogen. So here what to do? All the conditions you have to write all the conditions. If you will not write all the conditions, you will lose marks. So here this one 2, this one will be 3. Iron is the catalyst, molybdenum is the promoter. Here 250 to 900 atm, then 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius is the temperature. At this condition only this from nitrogen ammonia will be formed. This one is J. From J, another one it is K. See that one how much interesting it is. So nitrogen to get magnesium nitride. This one is magnesium nitride. So nitrogen when burns in the atmosphere of magnesium, it gives rise to magnesium nitride. So here it will be like this. And here this one will be L is from magnesium nitride. See that one how all these things are connected to each other. So it converted to ammonia. So how it is? Addition of warm water. So ammonia, along with that what we are getting? Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so here what to do? I have to balance it. So for that 6, here we will have 6 water, 3 magnesium hydroxide and 2 ammonia. Got it? This one will be L. Then let us go for M. What it is? M is given. M is same thing we have done already. Ammonia reacting with something give rise to copper. So what it is? Here with copper oxide, ammonia with copper oxide give rise to copper, nitrogen and water. Okay, so here what to write? Here nitrogen N2 have to balance. So here 2 ammonia, 3 copper oxide, 3 copper, 3 water and nitrogen. Then what is N? N is from ammonia to Pb. So here ammonia, addition of something give rise to Pb. So here this one will be PbO. Okay, addition of PbO, it give rise to Pb plus nitrogen plus water. So now let us balance 2 ammonia, 3 PbO, here 3 Pb, the same thing only here 3 water. Okay, so here see this one is N. Then we will go for O. O is the interesting one. Here usually this question comes for the observation also. Here it is given from for O, ammonia, it is converted to amine copper sulfate. Okay, so this one we will do in 2 steps. First of all, let us take ammonia. Here question may be ammonia, addition of ammonia gas or passing of ammonia gas through copper sulfate solution. Okay, so here we will take ammonia with water. It gives rise to ammonium hydroxide. Okay, then ammonium hydroxide we got this ammonium hydroxide with copper sulfate. So first of all, what this one will be drop wise. Okay, so here what we are getting, ammonium sulfate, along that one copper hydroxide. Ammonium sulfate with copper hydroxide, so 2, this one will be 2, okay, it is got. Then next equation will be ammonium sulfate with this excess of ammonium hydroxide. This one will be excess, along with that ammonium hydroxide, and this one will be copper hydroxide. What we are getting here? Getting tetraamine copper sulfate, along with that we will get water. So this one will be 4 water, 2 ammonium hydroxide. 2 here, 2, 4. Okay, so all these are the equations for this flowchart. I hope you understand. Now your time to check whether we both are correct or wrong.